everywhere. They might bum us. You guys are going to play out the work to get out of your respawn, okay? Alright? Alright. Alright, what's up for the go? I can't really see the chopper. Like, alright, he's running over there.
You want to cross,
yeah.
Cross that hallway, move quick.
You going first? You going first? Alright, alright. Watch your window, watch your window. I got low. Let's go. I'm cutting down. I got one far down there. Oh shit. Hey, can you back me up? I'm sticking my head out. Yikes. I got you. Alright, there's all of them down there in that corner back there. Grim, they're all down there in that corner.
Yeah. I can't step forward.
Yeah, I know.
I'm pinned right here.
Yeah, he is. Alright. I'll try to give you some help here. Maybe if I just get my laser out there.
I gotta move forward.
Alright. Steve, take out those guys straight ahead. We got this left side. Watch your side, watch this corner door. Hey, watch this back, I got this front. Good hit. Good man! Grim! Pass through, run through here. Alright, come on. We're gonna go through this long doorway down here, okay?
We're gonna watch out for the road coming around.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Like this whole, no, this hallway, there's no one. Except maybe one behind the door down there. Like one, that's it. Okay. Can you walk down there? Alright. Rosie, I got your vest! I'm pinched. dude.
My bad.
Like, you got my whole shoulder. It's gonna be like a tomato. Shit, ricochet. Get over there. Get that window over there. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, move up, move up, move up. One this corner, one this corner. This corner, doorway.
Fire! Cover fire! Cover fire! I got you in the back, dude. Got you in the back as well.
Hey, dude, you didn't arm this.
Arm, shoot.
I got it.
I'm not.
We're not friendly.
Dude, you were already shot.
Yeah.
If you want another one, I'll give you another one.
Alright, you guys, can you get this doorway? Yeah. Guard it, it's already in there. Blue wall.
Helicopter is armed. Move up. Get that intel. Helicopter is armed. Move up. Get the intel.
Alright, you ready? Dead man! Hey! Watch that middle! Damn, I did not realize I was this far back. Oh, look. Does that make it louder?
Yeah, that's fine.
What's that called?
Amplifier.
Amplifier. Is it good down here?
Huh?
Is it good? It's not really that good. Get out of the way! At least hurry back! are you doing?